What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to High PSI TV. Today we have the Denali in the shop again, and we are going to install LED headlights this time. Last video was the fog lights. The headlights just arrived, so let's open the box and see what we got. Alright, so here's what we got. Some lightning dark LEDs. Now these are the same LEDs that I run in my Malibu, and I absolutely love them. I've had them in the Malibu for about 2 years with no issues. Now these bulbs are 10,000 lumen and a 6,000 K cool white. So these should match the fog lights that I've already installed. And these also have Cree LEDs in them, so you know they're going to last for a long time. So the installation on these is really simple. Basically what I have to do is pop the hood, pull the old bulbs out, put the new ones in, and what I'll do is I'll do one side LED, one side halogen so that you guys can see the difference. And then I'll turn the fog lights on as well so you can see how they match. Alright, so it looks like we're going to have to pull the headlight housings out, which shouldn't be that big of a deal. First thing I'm going to do is pop this plate off so that I can reach in behind both headlight housings. And there's a 10mm bolt on each side to pop them the rest of the way out. Okay, so on this truck, to avoid pulling the grill, what I did is I just removed the 2 bolts from the top and tilted the headlight forward, and we can get to everything we need to right back here. What I didn't know is this headlight was broken, and it looks like someone tried to repair it already, so once I get this set back in place, I'm going to try to plastic weld this tab back on. But this is the bulb that we're going to be changing. This is our low beam headlight, and this is all that I'm changing on this truck. So all you have to do is twist and pull it out, and then unplug it back here. Now I save all of my old bulbs in the LED boxes in case I ever have one go out. I can put these back in because I know they still work. Installing the new bulb is fairly straightforward. They just twist in like the original bulb, and these have fans built into the back of them. Then all you do is plug this into your original harness and you're done. Now something cool about these bulbs, once you twist them into place, they're adjustable. So your LED is supposed to be at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So it should sit like this in your headlight housing. So that would mean that the pigtail either needs to be straight up or straight down. So when we twist these in, we'll adjust it. Okay, now that the base is twisted in, we can take this and rotate it until our pigtail's at the 12 o'clock position. Okay, the headlight's back in place. I have not plastic welded this back together yet, but I'm going to turn them on so that we can see the difference real quick. Alright, here we go. So we have incandescent here, LED here. It's a much brighter light, very white in color instead of yellowed. So just like that, we have some LEDs installed. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this side real quick. And then as soon as the sun goes down, which should be shortly, we'll pull this thing outside. Okay, for some reason the sun doesn't want to go down. So what I'm going to do is turn off all the lights in the shop, turn these lights on so you can see how bright they are. So you can see, we get a nice, crisp, clean, white light. I'll turn the fog lights on as well. So you can see we've got all sorts of light. Now I will wait a couple minutes and I'll take this thing outside so that you guys can see how bright they are when it's dark outside. All right, so it started to rain a little bit, but This will probably give you guys an idea of how bright these lights are. Alright, so we're back in the shop. It's dark. It's time for me to get inside and eat some dinner. That's going to do it really for LED headlight install on one of these trucks. It's fairly straightforward. Lightning dark. Like I said, I've used them before. I really enjoy their lights and they seem to last and they give a nice, clean, crisp white light. If you guys have any questions, be sure that you comment below. I try to answer those daily. And don't forget, always follow me on Instagram. Looking for some more followers on there. I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.